unclear policies, the US visa issues, and add to that the spending wars will continue in 2017 from IT sector. That's the word coming in from Gartner. But time to get you an ET Now exclusive. The government is moving fast to abolish the FIPB, or the Foreign Investment Promotion Board, as promised by the Finance Minister in Budget 2017. And sources say a cabinet note on the same has been prepared. Nenthara Rai is joining in with all those exclusive details. Nenthara, by when is the cabinet likely to consider this, and what will be the new mechanism, most importantly?
So we understand from our sources the cabinet note on abolishing the FIPB is very much ready, is being floated, and could come up for consideration maybe as early as this week. It was in his speech that Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had said that with an eye on ease of doing business, the FIPB is indeed going to be abolished. Industry has been apprehensive because the government is thinking of doing away with the single window mechanism, albeit a mechanism that has been, according to the government, moving very slowly in clearing proposals. So this is what's on the anvil that I understand from my sources, an e-biz portal. So it's going to be online now, everything where FDI applications will have to be submitted in this e-biz portal. And now you get different views from the Finance Ministry and the Commerce Ministry as far as the exact mechanics go. While both are agreeing to the fact that there should be an e-biz portal where all applications are submitted, the Finance Ministry is in favor of each ministry having a designated officer whose job and KRA will also include coordination, intra-ministerial, inter-ministerial, securing the approvals, getting everyone literally on the same page. Whereas the Commerce Ministry is pitching for the DIPP to get a promotion, to get elevated to be the coordinating ministry, almost like a nodal ministry, to get all of the approvals for the various FDI approvals. You know, a lot of cases you do need interministerial approvals. Take banking, take telecom, for example, where you need Home, Space Ministry as well as the Telecom Ministry to be on board. But the minute it's on an e-biz portal, the government gets access to it, and therefore everybody in the government also gets to know who's accessing it at what time and who's delaying the approval process. So it's going to be interesting to see whether it's the Finance Ministry's mechanics of having one nodal officer in charge in each ministry, or the DIPP that's going to be promoted as pitched by the Commerce Ministry.